How to share BuddyPress activity posts to other social media platforms. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to share BuddyPress activity posts to other social media platforms such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. This will allow users and visitors to share activities with over 25 social media platforms and allows your content to reach a wider audience and gain more exposure for your community. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version. This plugin is free. You can find the plugins by the search bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install and activate BuddyPress Social Share. You can purchase this plugin on Youzify.com. We put the URL on this video description below. Once both plugins are activated, navigate to the Youzify panel, Extensions Settings, and Social Share Settings. You can set up the system on this settings page. Make sure the Posts Shareable element is enabled. You also can set networks visibility settings, shareable posts, and default thumbnails. Let's see the result. Now people can share the BuddyPress activity posts on your website to other social media platforms easily. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.